How to request collaborator access in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to teach you how you could allow people to request collaboration with you and how do they request collaboration with your store. So over here right now, currently in our Shopify store, we're going to look over here on the bottom left. We have our settings section. So simply select our settings. And we will be able to see over here on the left side are different sections that we could modify. And the one that we specifically need to check out is the users and permission section over here. Now this page, as you can see, this is where you will be able to manage and check out all related users and permissions. Over here we have store owners, we also have staff accounts. And specifically for today's video, we will focus on collaborators, as you can see here. So you could choose to have anyone can send a collaborator request, or you could have people with collaborator request code will be the only one who will be able to request. So we have the code over here. So I would recommend that you generate a new code before you send this code to the one or the person that you want to have a collaboration with. But through this, after this, you will be able to establish a connection and a collaboration between your chosen users. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.